From being called a mode of transport to take you from point A to point B, today's car has made a significant jump. It's more like your home now, away from home, especially when you're traveling and covering those long highway trips. And in this video, I'm going to share 5 accessories or additions to your car which could make the car very much like home. Secure, safe, and convenient. Well, the very first addition that I've made to my car jumps into action as soon as I insert the ignition key.
Wait for connection. Bluetooth connection success.
Yes, it's a Bluetooth device. Now, being a 2012 model, the car is not equipped with Bluetooth. So I had to go ahead and buy a Bluetooth device which could make the car compatible with my phone through Bluetooth. This is the crushed Bluetooth device that I have purchased online on Amazon. Now this device is pretty unique and pretty useful and pretty handy. This comes with 2 charging points, one which is a fast charger and the other one is your regular charger. And more importantly, this device can be used by just plugging it into the 12-volt socket that is available in most of the cars. On plugging this device needs to be synced with the FM radio on any of the frequencies which is not in use currently, 88.5 and 88.5. Once the device is synced, it takes no time for you to use this device and play music via your mobile phone. Another important point about this particular device is that this device can also check the status of your battery.
Low voltage.
Accidents are something which are very much part of your driving life, and they usually occur when you least expect them. The second gadget that I'm going to share with you today is a dash cam which I got fixed to my car, so that when unfortunately those accidents do occur, I do have proof to show and to share as and when needed. Is the dash camera that I am currently using. When the car is turned on, the dash cam gets turned on automatically, and you can see that it has already started recording. Another advantage of having this dash cam, the reversing camera is turned on the moment we put the reverse gear. This helps especially if your car is a bigger one, and this also aids in parking. One of the worst scenarios which almost everyone must have encountered on a highway on a particularly sunny day is finding one of your tires going flat. Now trust me, on an highway when you have traveling at a very high speeds, the chances of having a flat tire are quite high. But there is a way in which we can ensure that this doesn't stop us or impede the journey any further. Let me introduce you to the third gadget or addition to my car. This is the Amazon Basics tire inflator. As you can see, it comes in a rather small package. If you are actually stuck on a highway with a flat tire, you can use this and travel a short distance till you find a tire inflator who could repair your tire. The Indian car customer of today is no longer dependent upon his stars for his safety. Rather, he would believe the stars given by any of the crash testing agencies like NCAP for his and his family's safety. Now, the one thing which most of us forget, that the car's safety standards and the certification given in the form of stars for the cars are for following certain features and certain protocols. If you see any of the car crash test videos, you will see that the kits are always safely secured in the car seats during the time of crash testing. In India, it's a common phenomena to carry children in their arms when we are traveling. If you remember, Rohit Sharma, the Indian batsman, also had to face the fury of the journalist when he carried his child on the lap while driving. I, for one, would always want to secure both my kids in the car seats when I'm traveling. I therefore have 2 car seats always in the car, no matter if I'm traveling on the highway or within the city. Because the safety of a child is my paramount responsibility, and I ensure that they are not the ones suffering the worst in case of an accident. Therefore, if you have kids at home, please make sure that buying a car seat is your first and the foremost responsibility as a parent. While on those long highway journeys, I make it a point to carry my foldable chair with me. What could be more fun than sitting on this chair on that lovely serene spot as you take a break from your driving?